Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can mine Bitcoin on the Binance Pool. So here are the steps on how you can do that. First is you have to sign up. So first you just have to make a Binance account and finish the verification. So once you're done with that, you can then go ahead and create a mining account. So go to the Binance Pool, click on the mining account management and make a mining account name. So once you're done with that, you can set up a miner. So on your mining machine, like the Ant miner, you can enter this URL right here. So you can also just screenshot this one and you can copy this one. So for the worker, you can go ahead and tap on this one, but it depends on you, your mining name, dot worker one. So for your password, you can just go ahead and make your own. So once you're done with that, you can then start mining. So just tap on save, then restart your miner so it will just connect to your Binance Pool. So you can also earn Bitcoin from that. So you can check your hash rate and rewards on the Binance Pool. So the rewards go straight to your Binance wallet. So usually every day. So it's a super simple way. So account, then tap, then mining name, then miner setup, and you can then start and earn BTC. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.